Tapos,
Ano yan, ako naman.
tinutugtugan ko siya ng piano kasi may piano sa bahay.
Wow, yaman.
Yaman.
Pero alam ko, okay, pabalik ng Maynila,
Mario, may kalaban ka na.
naiiyak na siya.
Pwede pala mag-piano.
Ayoko rin sabihin na mahal ko siya, pero naipapakita ko sa ano yun, sa pagbibigay ng financial.
Sabi baka emotional ka.
Ito, haba.
Baka umiyak ka sir oh.
Hindi oh.
Saya ko siya doon.
Kaya ano pala to?
Hello. Ano? Hello.
Ano nangyari ka na? Tagal mo kasi.
Hindi nabasa ko. Parang nakarap ng kanin eh.
24 consider Saturday with the off ko kami. And then, do you still live with your mom? No na po, kasi wala na. So, wala na po siya. Noong last 2020. Dati po ika 5 years. Last February 25 sa Saturday.
Nakakayak pala activity nito.
When was the time you had a conversation with her? Last week na conversation. Yung parang yung
Pare. Meron na. Dalawahin na natin para malakas. Hello. Ayun.
Ma'am siya po oh. Kayo naman niya gusto magsalita. Sumasabay na.
Opo, ako na po. Hello. Mic test. Mic test na to. Okay. Hello. I was previously employed on a 5-day work week schedule. I no longer live with my mother as she passed away many years ago. Our final conversation revolved around her allocation of her pension and how it could support the family. Regrettably, I cannot recall the last time we shared our meal together, though the thought of doing so remains deeply cherished. The last time I told her I love her was also the moment I said goodbye. I hold on to the hope that in the afterlife, we may have the chance to create those precious moments together once more.
Wow. Explain further, please.
Ang gawin po natin, since there are
two available microphones, ano. So after him, pwede ko ipasa ko sunod, doon muna tayo. Then after, para pasahan mag-ano tayo para po,
Explain further.
ano natin ang kamali.
Hindi pinamili. Nali. Namiss na mama niya.
Of course, I work every day because I run our family business, and my mom stays with me each time she comes home from New Zealand. In the very last conversation I ever had with her, it was about health management because she wanted to make her life longer because she wants to spend her
Parang hindi
life,
na ako, hindi ko, yung boses ko mahina.
she wants to experience having her grandchildren to, I mean, she wants to witness